So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block unknown numbers on your iPhone. So first of all, go to your settings. As you can see, I'm already in my settings, and click on apps all the way down. Through there, scroll to your phone settings. So find the phone app under the letter P, and you can see it's going to pop up right here. On there, just click on the phone app. And once you scroll down a bit, you can see underneath share name and photo, Wi-Fi calling, respond with text, call forwarding, call waiting, call recording, show my caller ID. You can see silence, unknown callers, blocked contacts, and you can see dial assist as well. So through there, you will need to go ahead and tap on the silence unknown callers, and you can see the explanation underneath. Calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. So it really gives you the power to not even ignore them. You will receive notification that they had a call, but you can call them back so you don't get disturbed by someone you don't have saved in contacts. If you wish to block them through there, just click on this and you won't receive those phone calls. You will see in recent the number that just called you. But if you wish to switch it back, just click on it again. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.